Hello students, continuing from yesterday's numerical example solved, where I had given an assignment and most of you have solved the triangular example. Today, continuing with the problems, we shall understand what is the precedence rule of operation. What exactly is the meaning of precedence rule of operations? You see, there may be a complex example like this: y of t is equal to x of at minus b. Okay, what happens is, in this complex example, if you see, there is t minus b is there is at is there, meaning is you are having more than one operation to be done so as to get the output. Hence there is a precedence rule, which operation to be conducted first, which is the next. That becomes very important. Always remember that step 1 will be shifting. Shifting means here x of a t minus b is there. No, you have to do t minus b. You have to do t minus b. X of t minus b will be the first step. Step 2. Step 2, whatever I have to do is scaling. Scaling. The meaning of scaling is whatever step 1 waveform you are having, no, on that you have to work with scaling with a factor of a. The last step is not there in this, but anyway, last step 3 is reflection. You have to do reflection. That's what is the order of operation which you have to do. Whatever theory I just told you is very easily understandable if you are solving an example. Okay, let us take the same example which we had taken as assignment. That means I shall give you x of t like this. Zero, minus 1, 1. Okay, this example I shall solve for different things. That this is x of t, this is x of t given. Let us find this. 1 x of 2t minus 3. Second, which I will be finding, is x of minus 3t plus 2. The third one which I would like to find is x of 2t minus 2 bracket. Just see here, how is the bracket? Okay, these three examples, let us solve this now. First, x of 2t minus 3. So as to solve x of 2t minus 3, just you know that the first step is to have x of t minus 3. As I told you, first is shifting. See this example. First step is shifting t minus 3. Just draw this. You know that t minus 3 means shifting to the right. Correct? T minus 3. You already solved this assignment. And please note that most of you are not drawing it with the scale. Try to at least draw it with the scale. Simple. Not that scale to be used, but draw it with the scaling. Yeah, what happens? The 0 point shift to 3. 0 point shifts to 3, isn't it? That means here is the waveform. Okay, my waveform shifted here. This is nothing but x of t minus 3, step 1, shifting. I will be doing shifting now. Yeah, I did shifting now. After this, what is the next step? Next step is to have scaling. Scaling with the factor of 2 here. Please note, scaling with the factor of 2. Yes, you know that what is the meaning of scaling. Yes, I will do it here now. This is anyway t 1, 2, 3, 4. Now scaling by factor of 2. Step 2 is scaling. Scaling by factor of 2. This means 2 by 2. Where this point shifts, this is at point 2. When I dividing it by 2, it shifts to 2 by 2. That means 0.1. Okay, that is shifted to 0.1. Right, that's shifted to 0.1 now. Now what about the 0.4, the other end? 0.44 divided by 2. That means it shifts to here. What about the 0.3? This point is at 3 here in the original signal. It is shifted to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means what? 1.5. That means this center point shifts to 1.5 or 3 by 2. Now just yes, this is at 0.1. Finally, I got this answer as x of 2t minus 3. 2t minus 3. You see, first step is shifting t minus 3. X next is scaling by a factor of 2. Hence, the signal became x of 2t minus 3. Nothing more than that. Reflection is not there in this example. If reflection is asked, then you have to do. Let us see example 2 where the reflection is there. I hope you understood this. First shifting, then scaling. Now I have solved example 1. Let us see example 2 here. Example 2. Example 2. See here, given problem is x of minus 3t plus 2. X of minus 3t plus 2, isn't it? What is the first step here? Please note the first step is t plus 2. Please note that it is t plus 2. I just do that now. Step 1, shifting. Hence you got the factor x of t plus 2. T plus 2. Just do that. T plus 2 means you know that shifting to the left side by a factor of 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and 0 point is shifted to 2, and here it is. Okay, this is 1. Okay, now I shifted this. This is nothing but x of t plus 2. What the next step? Next step is to introduce this scaling factor by 3. Negative I will take it as the last step. Next step. Step 2 is scaling. When I just do the scaling, please see that, try to draw it in an inline and with some scalings. Not that exact scaling should be there. Better if you choose scale and all. Now scaling by a factor of 3. Scaling by a factor of 3. 3 means what happens? Minus 3 shifts to where? Okay, I will just scale it down now. Minus 3 shifted to minus 3 by 3. Minus 1 point. Here it came. What about minus 1 point? Minus 1 point came to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 means what? 0.333. Minus 0.333. What about minus 2 point? Minus 2 point shifted to minus 2 by 3. That center point. Here it is. I just minus 0.6667. Hence magnitude no change. It is as it was. Yes, I got this answer. Right. But final step is remaining. Why? What is the final step? Because there is minus 3t. You did first step t plus 2. Okay. Next step 3. Next last step is minus. Minus means what? Step 3 is there. Step 3 is called as reflection. Step 3 is reflection. Reflection means what? Whatever is there in the positive side goes to the negative side. Whatever is there in the negative side comes to the positive side. Very simple. Actually, minus 0.33 was there. See, now with the sum scaling you draw, this is plus 1, plus 1, and this point is 0.333. This point is 0.6667. What happens? This point minus 0.33 point goes to plus 0.33 point, minus 0.6667 goes to plus 0.667, minus 1 goes to plus 1. That's all. Just reflection. Whatever was there, no, mirror other side. Yes, this is my final answer. This is my final answer for the given example. I hope you understood. Please see to that you follow this shifting, scaling and reflection order so as to solve the complex example. Last example, whatever is there, no, you take it as an assignment. You see, last whatever is there, example 3, you can solve it. It is very simple. How to do this? You see, I will tell the steps. X of 2 in bracket t minus 2 is there. Simple to solve this. What you can do? X, you take this 2 inside the bracket. X of 2t minus 4. 2t minus 4. Correct? Very simple. Take this inside. Now what is the first step? Step first is to have shifting t minus 4. Then what is the next step? Next step is to have scaling by a factor of 2. Very simple example. You can do this, but see to that this order of shifting, scaling and reflection is preserved so as to solve the complex example. Students, please note that I'll be giving one example for only one example, not more than one example. Sometimes worst case scenario I will give 2 examples, not more than 2. I promise. Why? You have to solve this one example which I am giving. During this periods where you are away from the classes, we want you to solve so as to confirm that you are looking at these videos what we are making, and immediately it may be maximum 20 to 30 minutes video, not more than that. Look into those videos and immediately solve those, preserve those assignments, hard copies, send us the soft copies. Okay, I hope you will move along with us so as to finish the topics during this testing time. Okay, I hope you got this precedence rule of operations in signals and system. Solve the assignment. I will be posting again the assignment. Thank you.